All right, good afternoon everyone and welcome to the International Show. For those of you that weren't able to make it today, we'd love to have you take a little tour around the booth and show you what you missed and bring you up to speed on some of the products that we have to offer for you. Let's take a look. So one of the first showcase items that we're going to show you today is the Ultra Temp ETI hybrid heater. This is a heat pump and a gas heater all combined into one unit. Inside this unit is a 110,000 BTU heat pump and a 110,000 BTU gas heater. Both of those are titanium heat exchangers. This is available in 220,000 BTUs. Soon there will be a 330,000 BTU heater that will be joining this unit as well. From there, we're going to move on to the ETI. This is our newest unit. This is a gas heater, 400,000 BTUs. It's got two 200,000 BTU titanium heat exchangers. This unit has a 3-year warranty, bumper to bumper, on residential or commercial, and both of those units are trade grade products. Let's continue to move on here. Over here, we're featuring some of our suction side cleaners. This is our Pentair Rebel 2-wheel cleaner. This unit also is trade grade and has a 2-year warranty. This is the Pentair Dorado cleaner, has brushes on the very bottom. It actually scrubs the pools as it's going through. And this is our Creepy Crawly, our cruiser unit. Fantastic unit as well. It's also trade grade as well. As we move on over to some other smaller heaters. Excuse me, gentlemen. I'm going to show you a couple of the regular standard heaters that we have, our day-to-day operations. This is the Master Temp gas heater and the Maxi Therm gas heater. One is the Pentair version and one is the Stay Right version of the gas heaters. Both of them are available in natural gas and or LP gas as well. As we continue to move, we're going to take you and show you some new automation systems as well. So what we're going to show you now is our newest automation system called the Int'l Connect. This is for a pool only. This has two 2-horsepower relays. The device that you use to control this is your iPhone or Androids or any type of tablet that you may have, okay? This unit will operate one IntelliFlow variable speed. It will also operate our IntelliChlor or iChlor salt systems, LED lighting, and any gas heater or heat pump that you would choose to actually add to this unit as well. This is a pool only, and it is our newest trade grade product that we have in automation.
Perfect. So we're going to let
I'm going to show you here in a minute. What they're showing here is the new Int'l Center. This is our newest automation system that can be upgraded. It has built-in Wi-Fi. It has the ability to operate 8 IntelliFlow variable speed pumps, 16 heat pumps, 4 different bodies of water soon. It'll operate from either your iPhone or Androids already in the unit. Has 2 Int'l valves, which are our new smart valves that you'll notice on the top of the unit. And it's also a trade grade product as well, okay? I know there's a lot of people around it, so we'll keep moving along, all right? This is our Shield UV Sanitation. This comes in multiple sizes as well. We'd give you a little bit more information on this as you come to our next show. Multiple sizes, UV lighting, okay? Sanitation. Over here in this setup, we have our IntelliFlow XF. This is our 3-horsepower IntelliFlow variable speed pump with our newest filter system, the Full Flow DE system with a high flow valves. Attached to that is our UV system that I was showing you a little while ago, and the ETI gas heater that we also looked at. All right, for those of you about water features, I want to talk to you about our new Magic Bowls. This is our new clear all glass Magic Bowl with LED lighting in it. There's some great advancements. These are the standard units over here on the right-hand side. They will come in round and or square. What you see down on the very bottom of this is our Color Vision bubbler. And these 2 units on the side are our LED laminars that actually shoot colors out at nighttime. So with that being said, we look forward to seeing you guys here next year. We hope that you join us. Thank you.